Hello chess enthusiasts! Today we're going to discuss some legitimate methods to improve your chess skills online on chess.com. We believe in fair play and honest practice, so let's get started. Now we have two methods. For method 1, we're going to be learning with Chess Next Move Calculator. Our first method is all about learning. Chess Next Move Calculator is a valuable tool, and here's how to use it. So for step 1, we need to open Chess Next Move Calculator. So open a new tab in your browser and visit the Chess Next Move Calculator website. So for me, I already have the Chess Next Move Calculator website on a tab. And step 2, we need to copy the board layout. So first, let's click choose an opponent. For this video, I'm going to be using a bot. So let's go ahead and choose challenge. Like so, and let's put that there. So for step 2, we need to copy the board layout. So copy the layout of the chessboard from your game on chess.com. This is your starting position. Now for me, let's just copy the layout like so. Like that. And then for step 3, we need to calculate the next move. Paste the board layout in the calculator and click calculate next move. It will analyze the position and suggest the move. So click calculate next move. Now for step 4, understand the move. Take your time to understand the suggested move. This method is great for learning and improving your chess strategy, but it's not an instant cheat. So as you can see, if we click this button here, it will teach us what the next move would be. And we should learn that why is this move chosen. Like so. Then we can just do that. Okay. Now, for method number 2, we have Chess Assist browser extension. Our second method involves using a browser extension called Chess Assist. It's a helpful tool, but remember to use it responsibly. Now step 1, we need to visit the Chrome Web Store. So I already have the Chrome Web Store open. And for step 2, we need to search for Chess Assist extension. In the store, search for Chess Assist by chessassist.net. That's what we have here on our screen. Now for step 3, we need to download and install the extension. Download and install the Chess Assist extension to your Chrome browser. So click add to Chrome like so and click add extension. And there you have it. Next, step 4, we need to enable the extension. Once installed, go back to chess.com and refresh the page to enable the extension. And for step 5, play responsibly. Now you can use Chess Assist as a helpful tool to analyze your games, but please use it responsibly and only as a learning aid. Over-reliance on it can lead to unfair play and consequences on chess.com. In conclusion, improving your chess skills takes time, effort, and practice. Use these methods to learn and grow as a chess player, but always prioritize fair and honest play. Cheating not only ruins the experience for others, but also hinders your own growth as a player. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow chess enthusiasts. Remember, the journey to become a better chess player is rewarding in itself. Thanks for watching and happy chess playing.